The issues that we are going to tell is deforestation of tropical rainforest in Malaysia. It has shown that in year 2014, about 493,385 hectares of our forest has been cut down. It is really an alarming state as we are at ranking of 4 among other countries.
What drove deforestation to happen?
What drove deforestation to happen is development, plantation, and logging. Rapid growth of population causes development to occur faster. The example of development is residency area, shopping mall, and university. The construction of roads are also one of the examples of development that occurs. Next is logging activities. Logging rainforest timber is a large economic source and in many cases, the main source of revenue for servicing the national debts of this developing country. This timber will then be used to manufacture furniture and paper. The plantation of oil palm can be one of the many causes that lead to deforestation of tropical rainforests. The high demand of oil palm in market drove this issue to arise.
The effect of deforestation.
There are several effects of deforestation, such as soil erosion and loss of species. Loss of species due to habitat destroyed is the effect of deforestation. The construction of roads, for example, cause fragmentation of forests happen. This will force the animal to migrate as there is not enough resources in that fragment area. When they cross the road, they will have large risk of being hit by cars. But how about the endemic species of plant? They cannot move or adapt to other areas. This will increase the risk of extinction for them. Roots of tree act as anchor that hold the soil together. When there is no tree due to deforestation, there is no root that act as anchor. This causes soil erosion to happen. After heavy tropical rain fall on clear forest land, the runoffs carry soil into river. The river carry the eroded soil downstream, causing more problem occurs.